हेलो एवरीवन, जैसे कि मैंने अभी उससे पहले वाली वीडियो में कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज का एक बहुत ही सिंपल एंड बेसिक क्वेश्चन करवाया था। दिस इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो बहुत ही सिंपल एंड बहुत ही बेसिक है, क्योंकि कॉम्प्रिहेंशन एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो पेपर में ज़रूर आता है, चाहे वो कोई भी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन या कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम हो। एंड अगर हम इतने हाई लेवल पे ना जाएं तो बेसिक कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस भी आते हैं एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स भी आते हैं, बट आप कॉम्प्लेक्स तभी सीख पाओगे जब आप बेसिक कॉम्प्रिहेंशन का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाओगे। सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड very simple question which I am going to tell you right now. So the comprehension is, our national flag is tricolor. It has been 3 equal horizontal strips. The strips at the top is saffron, in the middle is white, and the bottom is green. The ratio of the width to length of the flag is 2:3. In the center of the white strip is a wheel in navy blue. The wheel represents the chakra. Its design is similar on the wheel which appears on the beacons of the southern lion capital of Ashoka. Its diameter approximates the width of the white strips. The wheel has 24 spokes. It was adopted by Constitution Assembly on July 22nd, 1947. We love our national flag. We respect it. We are ready to sacrifice our life to protect its honor. It represents the nation, so it is a symbol of a national honor. So it's a very basic and very simple comprehension question. Before doing any complex, we'll be very much expert in doing the simple comprehension problem. So this is just now we move towards the questions. Our first question is, in our national flag, the wheel is located in the center of option A saffron, white, green and blue. I think this is the most basic question which you don't require to read in the comprehension. The second question is, in our national flag, which of the strip is at the bottom of our national flag? That is blue, saffron, white, green. Third question is, why do we love our national flag? Because it is a tricolor, because it has 3 strips, because it has a wheel at the center, or because it is a symbol of our national honor. The fourth question is, our national flag was approved by President, Lok Sabha, Parliament or the Constituent Assembly. The last question is, the diameter approximates the width of the white strip. Here the word approximates means is more or less equally, it's exactly equal, is not equal, is related. So this comprehension is more basic and very simple, I guess, from the previous one, because previous में हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे MCQs थे जहाँ पे दो हम solutions में confused थे what to choose, but यहाँ पे it's very common and very understandable कि इसका answer क्या होगा. Let's proceed towards the solution. So this is the question 2. The first answer is option B, that is a white strip. Let's again read the question. In our national flag, the wheel is allocated in the center of white strip. In our national flag, question 2, which of the strip is at the bottom of our national flag? I know many of you know the answer, that is green. Option C, that is question C, that is option D, because it is a symbol of a national honor. Definitely we love our national flag because the symbol of a national honor. Our national flag was approved by whom? That is, answer is the option D, that is the Constituent Assembly. And the means of the approximate is what? Is more or less equal, exactly equal, is not equal, is related. The answer is more or less is equal. सो दीज टू जो मैंने क्वेश्चंस करवाए हैं दोनों बहुत ही बेसिक एंड बहुत ही सिंपल हैं, कि क्यों किसी भी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन अगर हम क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट कर रहे हैं तो सो प्रैक्टिस दिस टू, इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू. एंड पर्सनली एडवाइस, जब भी आप कोई क्वेश्चन पढ़ो तो उसको 2 या 3 बार एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस और थ्राइस बहुत ही अच्छे से पढ़ लो, ताकि बार बार उसे पढ़ने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को, और टाइम वेस्ट आप ना करके बाकी क्वेश्चन पे फोकस कर सको. सो थैंक यू सो मच.